Now shifting to international politics, Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar and Russian President Vladimir Putin. Now this meeting between the two leaders came hours after Jaishankar held wide-ranging talks with his counterpart Sergei Lavrov. It largely focused on expanding trade ties between the two countries. And remember, the meeting comes amid Donald Trump's tariffs and pressure on India to stop buying oil from Russia, claiming that it is what is fueling the Ukraine war. Now, addressing a joint briefing, S. Jaishankar said that India-Russia ties are the steadiest of relationships in the world after the Second World War. In fact, setting the record straight here, Jaishankar also said that India is not the largest buyer of Russian oil. He also called out West's hypocrisy here, saying that US asked India to buy Russian oil to balance the energy trade. In fact, let's listen in to what the minister had to say.
We are not the biggest purchasers of Russian oil, that is China. We are not the biggest purchasers of Russian LNG. I'm not sure, but I think that is the European Union. We are not the country which has the biggest trade surge with Russia after 2022. I think there are some countries to the south. We are a country where actually the Americans said for the last few years that we should do everything to stabilize the world energy markets, including buying oil from Russia. Incidentally, we also buy oil from America, and that amount has been increasing. So, quite honestly, we are very perplexed at the logic of the argument that you had referred to.
Now, viewers, S. Jaishankar is on a 3-day visit to Russia, during which he co-chaired the 26th session of India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic Cooperation, and also addressed the India-Russia Business Forum meeting held in Moscow.